Today, I'll walk you through how to add a picture in a PDF file using Microsoft Edge, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enhance your PDF documents with images so you can present your information more effectively. Let's dive in. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see three dots. This is your menu button. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Microsoft Edge updates frequently, but the core features remain the same. Next, select Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can customize various aspects of your browsing experience. To make things easier, use the search bar at the top of the settings page and type in PDF. This will quickly filter the options for you. From the search results, click on PDF Documents. This will take you to a page dedicated to managing how Microsoft Edge handles PDF files. Think of this page as your control panel for PDFs. Here, you can decide whether PDF files should open directly in Microsoft Edge or be downloaded automatically to your device. It's like choosing between reading a book online or having a physical copy in your hands. Additionally, take a moment to review the other PDF viewing settings available on this page. These options allow you to tailor your PDF experience to your liking, ensuring that everything works just the way you want it to. Once you've made your selections, there's no need to hit a Save button. Your changes will be applied automatically. It's totally normal if this takes a moment, as Edge ensures everything is set up correctly. And there you have it. That's how to manage PDF document settings in Microsoft Edge. By following these steps, you can customize how you interact with PDFs, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.